Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Lotus Sutra. Last time, the entire universe bowed in perfect silence. In that absolute stillness, the Buddha gently closed his eyes and entered the deepest state of meditation, where both body and mind became completely motionless. Then, an unbelievable supernatural phenomenon occurred. Suddenly, glowing celestial flowers called Mandarava rained down beautifully from the sky upon the Buddha and the gathered assembly. In the next moment, the entire world shook in 6 different ways. The universe itself was resonating with his meditation. The miracles didn't stop there. Suddenly, from the white tuft between the Buddha's eyebrows, a brilliant, intense beam of light shot forth. This cosmic light instantly illuminated 18,000 different worlds, a vast multiverse to the east. From the lowest hells to the highest heavens, there was no place this light did not reach. Raining celestial flowers, an earth-shattering tremor, and a mysterious light illuminating 18,000 worlds. The cosmic assembly gasped at this unprecedented sight, gazing intently at the Buddha with joined hands. What exactly does this light mean? The true source code that rewrites our reality is about to be revealed. Stay tuned for the next episode.